Another gun review. This is gonna be so cool if you guys want to buy it or not. It's in premium. This gun, it was for 100. I mean, like 114. I don't know how much it was. 110, whatever it is. No, that's for upgrade. So this gun I really want to show you because it's so cool. If you go to like Coops, go to. Oh wait, I know. If we go to.
What the heck? He's using the bathroom.
Battle now.
He's using the bathroom.
What the heck? Okay. Anyway, now I'm gonna show you how it works. So first, I'm gonna do deathmatch. And I'm going to do Toy Factory because that's my favorite place.
My favorite place.
Oh, shut up.
Tip on your sword. My favorite place is tip on your sword. What? It's too late.
Anyway, whatever. Oh my god, just connect! What is this song? Oh my god.
What's your favorite thing to do? What?
Yeah, Kai's so stupid. Kai looks so small, right?
He's so strong. I could beat him up this morning.
No,
I'm gonna beat him up.
I don't believe one of you guys. Gamer Boy 3000, like 17 fucking. What the heck? I didn't even just do anything. Match finished, really.
Dude, you know you're recording? Why are you in the bathroom, Bobby? Why?
Okay, let's just do it. Oh, snap! Oh, ow. That kind of hurt me. Oh, it's because I killed myself. Oh, the pet dragon. Oh my god. Can't just. You see that? Shoot, so cool. 3 dragons. Look, these are 3 dragons. See over there. Ah! Oh, grenade! Oh my god. It's not going really good.
You gonna man?
No, dude, shut up, please.
You getting
Can you just shut up for once, please?
You're not doing a gun review. You're doing gameplay. That's what you're doing. You're doing.
No,
you're doing gameplay.
Ah!
Chicken's through.
What? Oh my god! What the heck? I'm a boss, yo. I'm a boss. Oh, yo, I had the gun Desert Eagle. It's so
People! Help! No, people! I need this.
What the heck? Oh man. Gun's hard. Oh my god. Did I kill anyone?
No. 1, 2, 3. USA.
Grenade kill! Oh snap, yo!
Yo, this guy has the same gun as me.
Oh! Oh, what did I say me though? Good bossy, yeah! That's what I mean.
And big 12 kid.
Alright, guys, let's go shoot one more person. Shoot anyone?
I got one.
Let's shoot one more person. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna do a shuriken thrower. Come on out. Oh, snap. Oh, match finish. Who is it? Oh my god. Who was... I'm at 15, really? Oh, let's go play another round. Because why not? Oh, oh, double kill. Yo, snap. Yo, this gun is really good. Ah! Oh, this gun is not really good, but because sometimes... Kind of like the other one, the other one. I'm gonna hide it. Oh no, I can't hide it. I can't hide it. Did I got anyone? Please just say that I got someone. Oh my god!
Who did you say? What
Oh my god! This guy. Yo, what the heck? His name is Angel. Angels are girls. What the heck?
What Lopez? Wait, what Lopez?
Ow.
What Lopez?
Oh my god.
Virginia Lopez. Oh man, I thought
Okay, I'm gonna do this one more time.
Lopez. Because that's a kid in my class that makes music. That Zelena.
And I'm gonna go up here. Here. Hey! Okay, so anyway, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, I guess, because
You didn't even do a gun review.
I already did. Okay.
You were just playing around.
To see how it goes, how it get killed. Okay, so anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. Please leave a like if you guys wanna.
If you like the gun,
If you guys like the gun, leave a comment, please.
comment
And
or
if
like.
leave a like or a comment, both of them.
Comments won't do anything. Subscribe, actually.
Okay, whatever. So anyway, this is gonna be the end, and today, and tell me tomorrow what to do later. Okay, bye.